Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've bought a budget device for unboxing, which is as usual a refurbished unit, and I have purchased this device from toogood.com. So now let's find out how it's turned out to be. So this is how it came packed in. Now let's check what all do we have inside. Here is another box custom made by Too Good. As you can see all its branding. You can see the MRP printed as 14,999 rupees. It is the original price when it was launched, and I have paid rupees 5,099 for this refurbished unit. The packing is nicely done by Too Good. We have got the seals over here. On cutting up the seals, we have the device in this plastic wrap. And further inside, we have Too Good warranty card and greeting for the purchase from them. We also have an ejector pin. Further, we have a micro USB cable included and a compatible charger. Both the charger and the cable are of Flipkart Smart Buy. So here's the device. The display looks fine, can't find any scratches, though the back have got some minor scratches as you can see here. The volume button and the power button seems fine and intact. Now let's try to turn the device up. The device seems to be out of juice. Let me try to connect it to the power bank and then try again. So it's totally out of juice. I will let it stay for a while. Oh well, here's the camera glass. Seems to be a bit dirty. We'll need to check that later. So guys, I have charged up the device, and now let's turn on and have a look. The device has turned on, and while it's booting, I will mention some of the specification. The display is a 5.5-inch 1080p LCD protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The body is an aluminum unibody shell. It has Snapdragon 625 SoC, 4GB of RAM and 64GB storage, dual 13MP camera at the back, while one is for depth sensing. Front camera is an 8MP unit. The rear camera can record up to 4K at 30 FPS, and the device is powered by a 3000 mAh battery. So this is how the interface looks like. It is mostly stock UI except for some Moto add-on apps, and the device is currently running on Android 8.1 Oreo. The display also looks fine. I will try typing some text, and the touch seems alright and responsive. Now let's jump into the camera app and find out the quality. The lighting is low here, but you can have some idea regarding the image quality, and it seems fine according to me. So the phone seems to be working perfectly as of now. So if someone is looking for a budget device, you should consider this device too, because at this price point it is a very good option. You are getting a mid-ranger processor inside, which will be anytime faster than a low-end chip available at this price range. Also, you are getting a decent camera setup, and the display is good too. At this price point, if you are searching for a device, it will be a laggy device if you find one. So I would say the Moto G5S Plus will be a good option for a first-time user and an excellent phone to use as a secondary device. And if you are looking for a decent budget phone, directly go for Realme C3, which is available around 8,000 rupees. So that's all in this video. If you find my video to be informative and helpful, please consider subscribing, and if you have any query regarding this purchase, comment down below. And stay home, stay safe. Thank you.